Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing human-centered design. Human-centered design is a design approach that puts people at the center of the design process. It's about creating solutions that meet the needs, wants, and aspirations of the people who will use them. The human-centered design process involves three key stages: empathize, define, and ideate. Stage 1. Empathize. In the empathize stage, the focus is on understanding the needs, wants, and aspirations of the people who will use the solution. This stage involves observing, interviewing, and gathering insights from potential users to gain a deep understanding of their needs and experiences. Stage 2. Define. In the define stage, the insights gathered in the empathize stage are used to define the problem and identify opportunities for solutions. The goal of this stage is to synthesize the insights and develop a clear and concise problem statement. Stage 3. Ideate. In the ideate stage, the focus is on generating a wide range of ideas for solutions. This stage involves brainstorming, prototyping, and testing to validate the solutions and identify the best approach. By putting people at the center of the design process, human-centered design results in solutions that are more effective, efficient, and desirable. It's a proven approach that has been used to design products, services, and experiences that truly meet the needs of users. Thank you for watching today's video on human-centered design. We hope you now have a better understanding of this important design approach and how it can be used to create solutions that truly meet the needs of users. If you liked this content, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.